Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to just delete your Marvel Rivals account. Like, let's just say you want to change your name or something and you don't want to get those tokens. So there isn't actually a way to delete your current account, but what you can do is, let's just say you have Marvel Rivals installed through Steam. What you can do is, instead of just using it from Steam, go ahead and download the Epic Games Launcher and just look for Marvel Rivals here. Make sure you use a different account. Don't use the same email or don't use the same account for Epic Games Launcher and Steam. But just overall, just if you have just download it on Marvel on Epic Games Launcher, or if you have it on Epic Games Launcher, just download it on Steam. But again, make sure you're using different accounts, you're using different emails just to be safe. And then once you download everything, you should be good to go. And that's basically starting over. So if you think about it, you only have two tries or one chance at this, I guess. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind, because I don't think there's an actual way to delete your account. You can just rename it, but other than that, that does cost tokens. So if you wanted just a new brand new account, you could just just log in with Epic Games Launcher. And yeah, that is it for the video, or Steam, with depends on whatever you're using. But anyways, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.